right, boys and girls, we are out here, me and Ivy. Say hi, Ivy.
Hi, Ivy.
I got the EverCross H5 and the, what is this?
Some Rotax or GoTax or Trax.
The GoTrax, yeah, the G4. Real nice scooter, by the way. And then I got this dog. And we're going to go from here over to, we want to make it all the way to Homestead, which is 6 miles. Okay, so we're going to try that out. Yay. You going? Is it still on?
Yes. Yeah,
Okay, so it'll go now. Hit double click the thing. You got it? You got it, Ivy? Ivy's up there smoking a cigarette. You got the kitties. Hey, Ivy, at the bottom of this hill, it gets real bumpy for a while, okay? I am, indeed. You guys have a nice day. It was nice to meet you. I'm trying. Probably can make it. Now, because that's what everybody told me on the forums. They said just shut it off for 10 minutes or whatever, and you'll get some battery back. So yeah, take this one. I'm lighter than you.
Okay.
Okay, so maybe I can conserve the battery better. What speed you got it at?
One.
Okay.
Now, how's this one work with
Same
the?
thing, just push off and go.
Where's the throttle?
Throttle's that little hook right there.
This.
Now this has a lot of pull.
Okay.
It pulls back real strongly.
Okay.
So just be careful. It's got dual brakes on this one.
Okay.
The camera's in them too.
Right? You had a boost of speed there.
Well, I turned it up to get a little gumption. So now we're 2 miles out. I gotta walk, smoke a little bit, and then I'll hit you. This is called nursing. Boy, they really fucking give you the bum's rush on the battery life of this thing, huh?
Yeah.
This is supposed to be 25-mile range.
Yeah, we didn't even go 12.
Right.
How
And
many
I'm
we
walking. I'm not even riding.
Yeah, I mean, how many did we go total? Like 5?
We went 5 out. 5 points, like 5.5.
So we went like 7 miles. That's it. Well, at least they ain't that bad to push. At least they're not that bad to push. Okay. Yeah. Right. Hello. How you doing? Hey, how you doing?
Try to nurse as much as I can to the bridge. I'll probably walk up that hill again too.
You want to see if we can find something?
Hold on. Check this one out. Let me see what's
Let me
going
get it on
on
the
here.
thing here. I want to sit on regular dirt.
Gotcha. 3.12 miles since, yeah, I'm going to shut the camera off for a little bit.
Yeah, that's 4 bars, dude.
Yep. No.
7.7 miles. Nothing yet.
Right. And then you can check
There's a bike coming.
So I don't know if that's deceiving or so I have to do a test up at Penn Center.
Yeah.
Just driving around up there until the battery goes dead, and then I'll time how long it lasts when it's on 1 bar. Okay, so it made it back. I don't know where Rich is. He's coming. He's over that way. But I'm very disappointed with the GoTrax, the range on this thing. God. I made it out. It went 5 miles out. The battery was almost dead once I got there. Then I'm coming back and I'm have to walk and getting off of it and walking and running it at 7 miles an hour just to try to nurse it back here, which I did. But yeah, very disappointing on the battery life.